Welcome to the Grand Aston Hotel. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
May I help you?
Yes, I need to stay in the hotel.
What date for your reservations?
3 June for tonight.
June for tonight. How many people stay in the hotel?
Only me.
What kind of room do you want?
Single bedroom, please.
Let me check it first. Just give me a minute.
Yes, please.
A single bedroom for 3 June for tonight is still available. Do you prefer with city view or swimming pool view?
Swimming pool view, please.
Okay, that would be 1 million per night, including with the breakfast, taxes, and another compliments.
Yes.
May I know your name, please?
My name is April.
How do you spell that your name?
April.
Okay, Mrs. April. Let me have your address, please.
Banjar Color, Banjar City, West.
Let me know your number phone, please.
It's 000.
000. Your number is 000, right?
Yes, that's my phone number.
Okay, so let me repeat your orders. Single bedrooms for Mrs. April from 3 June tonight with swimming pool view. Is there anything else that could we help for you?
Yes, actually 3 June is my birthday. Can you arrange birthday cake with strawberry flavor, please?
Certainly, Mrs. April. It will be our pleasure to provide a birthday cake with strawberry flavors and color cello. Okay, is there anything else that could be help for you?
No, thank you.
Okay, so there is have additional cost, 200,000 rupiah. Is that okay, Mrs. April?
Yes, it's okay.
So your total bill is 1,200,000 rupiah. Would you like to pay with bank or cash?
Bank, please.
This our account bank number is 117349.
Alright. This is my confidential transfer.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. April. I'm looking forward to you on the hotel on 3 June in the Grand Aston Hotel.
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.